guys, welcome back to my channel Angel Meghana, and I got a new theme for our channel and for our videos. So that is a mini kitchen. So this is gonna be interesting, and you can enjoy the videos, and stay tuned for more videos of mini kitchen, and I'll upload some dance videos like those also, so you can enjoy more. For now, you can check our mini kitchen view. So let's go. So first of all, I tell what I made in this products. I made this house totally, and I made this and this flower pot, idi kuda, and this artificial dining table. I made it with what puzzles, like puzzles, So puzzles though, and idi kuda with mud. I made it with mud, and this also. This is an what we can say. It is an old one. Well, this is a well, and this is an old one, 6th class or like that. So it's already completed 4-5 years ago, and that's it.